What's up, guys? So today, you already know it, I'm changing my coilovers to BC Racing coilovers, which you can see right here. I'm also going to be changing the rear brakes and the front brakes. Hopefully everything goes well, and I'm about to start right now. Let's go. Yo, it's a nice, beautiful morning, and my mechanic told me to come through in the morning, and he's gonna do the rest of everything that's remaining, which are the brakes, the rear coilovers. But I guess he's flaking on me because he's doing someone else's. But I'm gonna go check up on him. Yo, I just got a call back from him. He said, come on through. So I guess it's happening, hopefully. He did not do this right at all, so I gotta do the wiring because this was going inside in here. I had to pull it out from my little camera in the back, and this little thing is supposed to be inside this little thing, but I'm gonna try to fix it right now. Alright, it's car day today, so I just gotta replace this. The other one is still not. I'm just gonna replace this for my wife's car, and should be good to go. Pretty dirty. That's the new one. Oh, I did it without taking off the glove compartment. I can't even see it right there. This one. Alright, so alignment is done. I'm glad. It's been a long day, but I got everything done, so I'm glad. The only thing remaining is spark plugs for this car, for my wife's car, which I can do myself. Shouldn't be an issue. And then I gotta change the rotors and the brakes in the front for my Q50. And that's about it. That should solve everything. What a long day. It's almost over, but tomorrow is Ramadan, or tonight I should say. So I'm excited for that, all those Ramadan vibes. So I'm gonna be heading to the mosque. But first, my wife made me chicken tikka masala. So, and I'm hungry at the moment, so that's perfect. I'm gonna go eat that